Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, so we need to have the power number 2 in here. But this one that is about a minus b, so we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and the denominator. So we have like this. So this one we transform into this one. So we have s squared minus number 2 minus s. Now we have negative with negative, we have positive s, and we have negative number 2 because negative side with number 2 we have negative number 2. So about s we can put 2s minus s. So we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 1. Now we can do another factorization. Next, about s, that is about the square root of s. Everything to the power of 2. Number 1, that is about 1 square. So this one we need to transform into this one, and we have like this. Now we need to simplify the square root of s minus number 1 on numerator and the denominator. And now we can put number 1 going here, 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 and here. And then we have the final answer. And we have 1/3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.